Dear students, the next question from vernier caliper. You can see this problem. A vernier caliper has its main scale 10 centimeter equally divided into 250 parts. Its vernier scale is of 50 division and coincident with 15 millimeter of the main scale. So the least count of the instrument is asking. So in all the option given in a centimeter, that is 0.01, 0.02, 0.001, 0.002. Okay, so let's see the solution now. Okay. First I can write given values. Listen, a vernier caliper has its main scale 10 centimeter is equally divided into 250 parts. So main scale, the 10 centimeter is divided into 250 parts. So that means one main scale division meaning is totally 10 centimeter. It will be splitted with the 250 division. So what about 1 MSD value? So 0 is cancelled. 1 divided by 25 we can write as 0.04 centimeter. So this is 1 MSD value is equal to 0.04 centimeter. Okay, right. So total main scale, for example, length of the main scale 10 centimeter. This 10 centimeter, within this 10 centimeter 250 lines are there. 250 lines are there. So what about each value, each division value? So that only 0.04 centimeter. Okay, so we know the least count formula of the vernier caliper, that is the least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So 1 MSD we know, so let's find 1 VSD now. So 1 VSD. So next information, the vernier caliper, it's vernier scale of 50 division. So 50 vernier scale division, that is a meaning 50 vernier scale division is coincident with the 15 millimeter of main scale. 15 millimeter of main scale. So 15 millimeter. So okay, 50 millimeter. So millimeter, 50 millimeter. But you know all the option in centimeter only. So MSD also in centimeter. So VSD value I am going to change as centimeter. So I can write one more step. 50 VSD is equal to 1.5 centimeter. This 15 millimeter equal to 1.5 centimeter. Therefore 1 VSD is equal to 1.5 divided by 50 centimeter. So again we can simplify. 1 VSD is equal to 0.3 fifth table, 0.3 divided by 10 centimeter. So this is we can write as that is 1 VSD is equal to 0.3 divided by 10, 0.03 centimeter. So now you know VSD value, then MSD value. So now let's find least count of the given vernier caliper. That is least count is equal to 1 MSD. 1 MSD value is 0.04 centimeter minus VSD value, that is 0.03 centimeter. Therefore least count, that is 0.01 centimeter. So the answer is 0.01 centimeter. So this option is matched with the option A. So in this question option A 0.01 centimeter is answer. That is the least count of the given screw gauge. Okay, thank you.